This week's project is 2019 4Runner. This will be getting full paint correction, polishing, ceramic coating on all the exterior paint, door jambs, glass, and the wheel faces. This one's going to have a little bit of issues. There's a lot of water spotting. Let's see if I can get it on camera here. So you can see the condition. The paint definitely has kind of an opaque look to it. And that's from all the water spotting that's happened. When we get done, it'll really bring out the rich color of this and get back that true blue instead of the hazy gray that it looks now. There was very heavy water spotting on the windows, so we used a water spot remover on all the glass to get that off before we go back and polish it. But definitely pretty cool. Stay tuned for the results. At Aegis Armors, we know that your vehicle deserves to look its best. That's why our paint correction and ceramic coating services are designed to transform your vehicle's appearance. Our skilled technicians start by meticulously washing the vehicle and then clay barring all painted surfaces to remove contaminants that are stuck to the clear coat. The next step is a surface assessment, where we notate the measurements of the paint thickness all around the vehicle and all the surface imperfections in the paint. Then the paint correction process begins, which removes scratches, swirl marks, oxidation, and water spots, revealing a smooth, flawless surface beneath. Once the paint correction and polishing are complete, we perform a solvent wipe down to remove all of the oils left behind from the polishing process. This step ensures the ceramic coating attaches directly to the paint's clear coat and not those polishing oils that will wear off over time, taking the ceramic with it. Next, we apply Aegis Armor's premium ceramic coating that not only enhances the depth and clarity of the paint, but also adds a rich, glossy finish. Once the paint coating is completed, we apply our Aegis Armor ceramic glass treatment to all the exterior glass and plastic lenses. The final step is to apply Aegis Armor's HD ceramic wheel and caliper coating to the wheel faces, which on this vehicle removed all the fading and made the wheels look brand new again. The difference is night and day. Your vehicle's paint now looks richer, deeper, and more vibrant than ever before. With Aegis Armors, your vehicle doesn't just look better, it shines better than new. Aegis Armors, unleashing the power of perfection.